Today's golf event is our 24th golf event, and this year's proceeds are going to the intensive care unit, which is part of our new building project. And this is another day when the community and the hospital come together to help us continue to pursue the goals that we have at the hospital and to try to do the best we can to meet the healthcare needs of the communities we serve. We're also doing a radiothon as part of today's event in support of the Oliva Patient Comfort Fund. And the radio station is running the radiothon and raising some money for the fund that helps care for our cancer patients beyond their patient care and clinical needs. And it's a wonderful fund, and it's named after a great family, and the community's been incredibly supportive, and we're looking forward to another great day both for the golf and the radiothon.
Hi, I'm Steve Frobeater. I'm the co-chair of the 24th annual Milford Regional Healthcare Foundation Golf Classic and the 7th annual WMRC Radiothon. I work in the Radiothon end of it. John Peters, my co-chair, works for the Golf Classic each year. We're raising money for Milford Regional. Specifically, the golf tournament is raising money for the ICU unit that is going to be built. Plans have been announced, and we're campaigning for a $50+ million expansion of the medical center. Much needed. An ER, an ICU, and some additional patient rooms. It'll be a wonderful addition to our community. The Radiothon raises money and has for the last number of years for the Oliva Fund for cancer care at Milford Regional. The Oliva Fund is a terribly important discretionary fund that the doctors, nurses, and staff that are in the service of cancer treatment at Milford Regional can use to help patients and their families as they go through that tough time. It's a grand cause. Last year we raised $66,000 for the fund. We're going to raise more than $66,000, that's for certain. The question is how much more we're going to raise. And it's a wonderful cause, and I'm happy to be here in service of the medical center.
Good afternoon, my name is John Burns. I'm chairman of the Board of Trustees for the Milford Regional Medical Center. This is a great event that we have here today for our community. We end up raising about $300,000, and being a non-profit hospital, that is a lot of money that we can put to very good use for different programs. So we thank all the people that have come out here today to support this event. I started getting involved, I believe it was around 1996, 1997, and it's just a lot of people will start golf outings, but to be this successful after 24 years, a lot of times they'll last maybe 5, 6 years, and then they seem to dwindle. It's just so great to see that every year the bar is raised and the amount of money that we're raising. And again, with raising over $300,000, I mean, there were days where we, would raise somewhere between $100,000 and $200,000. I thought that could never be duplicated, and now to think that we're at 300, it's fantastic. And it's just the show of support with the people here today. It's amazing.
About 7 years ago, the Milford Hospital asked me to chair the golf tournament. And after a couple of meetings, we were trying to find new ways to generate some revenue for the golf tournament. And we decided that the Radiothon would be a great way to open it up to the public and let them play a role in it, be a part of it. And so the Radiothon was born. And here we are 7 years later, and every year we've increased the amount. Last year we topped $66,000, which was an incredible number, and hopefully today we're gonna top that number. The Radiothon is always the final Monday in August, ties in with the golf tournament here at Franklin Country Club. And most years we started at 7 a.m. and it goes till 5. This year we started an hour earlier. We started it at 6. And really there's 3 ways people can donate. They can call the radio station, 508-473-1490. They can go online to milfordregional.org/radiothon and do it all online if they want. Or if they have a smartphone, they can just text Oliva to 20222 and it's an instant $10 donation. We make it as easy as possible. If somebody wants to donate, we make it as easy as possible.